So we're out here in the backyard, and this buried downspout right here that comes up over there sticks out above the ground quite a bit, and frankly is a tripping hazard. So I'm going to see if there's something I can do about that. So you can see how much this sticks out above the ground, probably a good 3 inches or so. So what I'm going to do is use this cutting tool to cut the inside of the PVC pipe, and then replace this black drain with a pop-up emitter. That's still a little high. I'm gonna see if I can get some more out. All right. That is much better. It is nice and flush to the ground. No tripping hazard. Great. So now we'll just test it. We've got the hose filling up the downspout, and we'll wait to see the water come out of the pop-up emitter. Okay, we should see the water coming up any minute here. Perfect. All right. Now let's turn the water off and watch it go back down. Floating just a little bit there as the water seeps out. And it looks like it's seated back down. Awesome.